Okay, so the question here is find the interest compounded annually and the simple interest of the sum of Rs 2000 in 1 year at 5% per annum. Are both types of interest same? Write your conclusion. Okay, this we are going to solve here. That means what we have to find here? First, we have to find the simple interest. Okay, simple interest. Then we have to find the compound interest as well, compounded annually. And then we have to identify whether both types of interest are same or not. Okay, if we find same, then we have to write the conclusion as well. Okay, and the conclusion pani lekhnu parne cha यसमा. So let's start to solve it. So what is given here? Okay, let's write given. And like simple interest or compound interest ko lagi, we are given here sum, time, and rate of interest same. Sum, time, and rate of interest same. Okay, so let's write here. First is sum given here. Sum means principal. Okay, given here is sum. Sum means that is simply you can write here principal. Okay, principal is equals to what is given here? Rs 2000. Principal means Rs 2000. Okay, principal is Rs 2000. So what is the time here? Time is 1 year. So time is given here. Time t is equals to 1 year. Time is given here 1 year. And what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest given here 5% per annum. Rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest, that is R is equals to 5% per annum. Okay, rate of interest R is 5% per annum. Now what we have to find here? Simple interest we have to find, and compound interest, annual compound interest. Okay, here it is asked interest compounded annually. That's why we have to find here compound interest. Okay, so let's find here. Sum it is given, time given, rate of interest given. Now let's find your simple interest. Now simple interest. Okay, simple interest, that is SI. Simple interest SI is equals to P into T into R upon 100. Okay, P into T into R upon 100. Now just put the values here. Okay, I'm just P ko value, T ko value, R ko value. Let's put. We'll get here simple interest. Okay, use. Yes, like simple interest. Simply simple interest is 2000. Okay, so we can write here 2000 into. Okay, then time is given here 1 year. Okay, then rate means 5. So divided by 100. Okay, so let's divide here by 100. So this 20 we can cancel, and we found here simply 25 the 100. Okay, so you can see here compound interest, simple interest, what we found here are compound interest. So again let's find here compound interest. Okay, compound interest. Again compound interest, that is CI. Okay, compound interest CI. The formula for compound interest CI is P bracket, okay, P bracket 1 plus R upon 100, 1 plus R upon 100, okay, power T, then minus 1 also we have to write. Okay, P bracket 1 plus R by 100, power T minus 1. This is the formula for compound interest. Compound interest compounded annually. Okay, annual compound interest ko formula ho. So now let's put the value here. P means 2000. Okay, P means 2000. Okay, then here 1 plus R by 100. Okay, that means 1 as it is plus R means 5. 5 divided by 100. Okay, then power T means 1 minus 1. Okay, simply यसमा अब हामीलाई यो अहिले power 1 भएको बेलामा हामीलाई it's a easy calculation here. Okay, यहाँ अलि calculation easy कसरी हुन्छ भने simply just remove this bracket. यो bracket small bracket लाई हामीले just remove गर्न मिल्यो. यसरी just remove गर्यौं भने because power is 1, no need to do with the power 1. Okay, power 1 ले हामीले यसलाई expand गर्यौं भने पनि 1 plus 5 by 100 will get, and then minus 1. Okay, simply 1 and minus 1 we can cancel. 1 and minus 1 we can cancel, and we'll get here 2000 into 5 divided by 100. Okay, this will get, and you know here 2 zeros we can cancel. and we found here 20 into 5. Okay, that is RS 100. Okay, so you can see here simple interest we found here 100. Compound interest also we found here 100. There is no difference in simple interest and compound interest. Okay, for the same sum of money, for the time interval 1 year, and for the same rate of interest. Okay, so this is the conclusion. है यहाँ चाहिँ हामीलाई के हुँदो रहेछ त के थाहा पाइराख्ने जस्तो 1 year को लागि same sum, same rate of interest. Okay, same sum र same rate of interest time 1 year हो भने simple interest र compound interest जहिले पनि equal हुन्छ है. That is the conclusion. Okay, so यहाँ अब हामीलाई सोधेको question के छ त are both types of interest the same? Okay, so just write your answer. Yes, both types of interest are same. Yes. Okay, both types of interests are same. We can write. You have like questions for that, sir? Are both types of interest same? Yes, both types of interest are same. And the way interest same, I say we found here simple interest 100, compound interest also 100. Yes, both types of interests are same. अब यति मात्र छैन क्वेशनमा write your conclusion. Okay, conclusion पनि लेख्नु भनेको छ है. So let's write your conclusion. यहाँ हामीले दुवै इन्ट्रेस्टहरु त सेम फाइन्ड. Okay, conclusion. ल यसको conclusionमा what we are going to write here, the simple interest and the compound interest. Okay, the simple interest and annual compound interest, annual compound interest. Okay, the simple interest and annual compound interest for the same sum and same rate of interest. Okay, for the same sum and same rate of interest for 1 year. For 1 year R, we can write here same. Okay, this is the conclusion. So look at their conclusion is the simple interest and annual compound interest for the same sum and the same rate of interest for 1 year are same. Okay, यो कुरा चाहिँ अब थाहा पाइराख्ने जहिले पनि यसलाई एउटा जस्ट युज एज अ कन्सेप्टको रूपमा पनि हामी पछि युज गर्छौं किन भन्दा एउटै सम छ हो, एउटै रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट छ र 1 year को है फेरि टाइम पनि थाहा पाइराख्ने 1 year को लागि हो भने त्यस्तो बेलामा सिम्पल इन्ट्रेस्ट र कम्पाउन्ड इन्ट्रेस्ट के हुन्छ नि त, दे आर इक्वल. Okay, they are same. So this is the conclusion. Okay, so in question number 3C, this one is I think I only. Okay, 3C I. Question number is 3C I. In this question, find the interest compounded annually if principal P is equals to RS 6000, time T is equals to 2.5 years, rate R is equals to 10% per annum. Okay, that means your time is given in fraction. Okay, time given केमा छ त fraction मा given छ. Annually हामीले compounded annually छ, time यदि fraction मा छ भने यो बेलामा हामीले के गर्ने त, we have to change into year and month को term मा लेख्ने है त, year and month. Okay, so that we are going to use that formula here. So let's write what is given. First of all, here it is given principal P. Okay, principal, that is P is equals to RS 6000. Okay, principal is given here RS 6000. So principal is RS 6000. Then time that is a T. Time T is given here 2.5 years. Okay, 2.5 years भनेको यसलाई simply हामी कसरी लेख्न सक्छौं त, how we can write here, यो भनेको 2 years plus 6 months हो है, 2 years plus 6 months. Okay, na 2.5 years भनेको 2 years plus 6 months हो. Okay, therefore what we can write here? Therefore t लाई हामीले यसरी लेख्ने. यसलाई simply यो हामीलाई अब फर्मुलामा युज गर्नको लागि t को ठाउँमा we'll write here 2 years. Okay, m को ठाउँमा what we'll write here 6 months यसरी लेख्छौं. अहिले नै हामीले यसलाई के गर्दियौ त सेपरेट गर्दियौ है त. यो t भनेको चाहिँ 2 year र m भनेको चाहिँ 6 month. Okay. So rate of interest, rate is also given here. Rate R is equals to, here it is given 10% per annum. Okay, rate भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो 10% per annum छ. What you are asked here? Find the interest compounded annually. Okay, annual compound interest. You are asked here annual compound interest. Annual compound interest, that is CI. CI is equals to what? Annual compound interest. Okay, that is CI is equals to what? Annual compound interest. Annual compound interest, let's use the formula. I'm going to use here formula. By formula, CI is equals to, which formula we are going to use here? P. Okay, bracket 1 plus R by 100 power T. Then again bracket 1 plus MR by 1200 power T. Sorry, 1200 only, and then minus 1. So this is the formula. Okay, now we are going to put here values and we'll get the answer. So let's put the values here. Okay, P means 6,000. Simply write here 6,000. Then 1 plus R means 10. 10 divided by 100. Okay, then we can write here square means T means 2 year. T means 2 year. Then 1 plus month means 6 year. 6 rate is 10 divided by 1200. Okay, then minus 1 we can write. So let's do the calculation. You 6,000. Okay, simply you can take your LCM. Right? LCM lida first you can see 100 into 1 भनेको. You can simply see here 100 plus 10. Later on you can directly write. Right? Simple. This is the initial phase. That's why I'm doing in this way. Otherwise you can write 110 upon 100. Okay, directly. This side also you can see here 1200 plus 60 divided by 1200. Okay, then minus 1. Then what we can write here? Then minus 1. Okay, so this will be 6,000. Okay, this will be 6,000. Then 110 divided by 100 square. Okay, here it will be 1260 divided by 1200. Then minus 1. So we have to calculate here, right? We need to calculate 6,000. Okay, here simply 0, 0 we can cancel 1.1 square 1. Here 1.21. Then into 1260 divided by 1200. Okay, this is a 1.05. 1.05 minus 1 is still there. So it will be 6,000. Let's multiply here. 1.21 will get here 1.2705, then minus 1. Okay, simply minus 1 here, minus 1 will simply get here 0.2705. Okay, so minus 1 and we'll multiply here into 6,000. Okay, we'll get here 1623. RS 1623. Okay, this is the interest compounded annually. Hence the interest compounded annually. And the interest compounded annually is RS 1623. Okay, this is the accurate answer. You say the accurate answer, right? Okay, you can do by the formula. Okay, which do not involve this MR/1200 त्यहाँबाट पनि गर्न मिल्छ तर you won't get the accurate answer है 1623 आउँदैन त्यहाँबाट केही तलमाथि पर्ला है त त्यही भएर हाम्रो accurate answer to get the accurate answer we need to do in this way you have to use this formula त्यसैले हामीले यस्तो फर्मुला युज गर्नु पर्यो डेसिमल पावरलाई डेसिमलमा आउन दिनु भएन है जस्तो यहाँ अहिले यो हामीले सिम्पली 2.5 हुन्थ्यो यहाँ पावर डेसिमलमा आउँथ्यो यदि हामीले यो MR/1200 फर्मुला युज नगरेको भए ओके सो त्यसले चाहिँ के हामीलाई आन्सरमा के डिफर गर्थ्यो है त द्याट्स वाइ हामीले चाहिँ यसरी पावरमा डेसिमल नआउने तरिकाले चाहिँ क्वेशनहरु सल्भ गर्नुपर्छ